Assalamualaikum. Now I am at the gate of the Lady Park, as you can see, and this time you are going to imagine that it's Lady Park, because as you can see many of the people are coming here, and this is very beautiful and everyone are here to enjoy. This is starting a mela from where everyone's come and try inside. I'm gonna show you everything from inside, what things are inside. Some pets are there, some funny things are been happening, and there are many of the rides inside. You should come now and take the rides. Okay, it's for just 3 days, man. I'm gonna telling you today. You can come tomorrow, and on next tomorrow you can come here and enjoy. Assalamualaikum. As you know that there was one program in Snake-Raat. He just called me for a speech, and his name is Mr. Iqbal Chaudhary, and he's also a news reporter, but I don't know which news. Assalamualaikum. आपको ये पार्क किस तरह कैसा लगा?
ज़बरदस्त लगा।
He's saying it's really good. और इसमें जो सब कुछ जो चीज़ें लगाई हैं काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है, काफ़ी ख़राब है?
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा है, पहले से बड़ा ज़बरदस्त हुआ है।
They are saying that before that it was really dirty and just broken, but now it's looking so beautiful, just like as I said. Now I want to show you one more and really good thing of my Kamoki. As you can see, if someone is fall in or on the form any ride, these are the things from that they could be okay. If they have any vaccine or he has become ill at that time, he can get that time any emergency vaccines and he could be fine again. And these are the people, they are giving vaccines and they're just checking everyone in free. It's really good. This is my Kamoki. As you can see, my Kamoki is really beautiful, and also it is good also. This gives me respect, this gives me power, that how much beautiful is my Kamoki. As you can see, everyone here are here. If for emergency, they are certain. If there is an emergency, someone is just fallen and they have get really back written, they just suddenly go and give him some vaccine. Take here. Look, this is Pyodine, this is Sunny Plus, and these are some, I don't know, energy just dose that which can be used. And there are some more things like there anything else, more things are there. I'm gonna show you all. So let's go forward. As you can see, now I am in Lady Park, and now it's really everyone are making drawings. And as you can see, I have shown a full view of everything here, that there are so many tricks, everything is here, and it's looking so beautiful. And now at this time you can see that there is a competition is going on about drawing, and they are making beautiful drawings now. And after some time they are gonna find out who is gonna win. And as you can, someone is making palace, someone is making flowers. Many really good things are being made here, and there are many of the rides here. You can come here, enjoy. And now look, as you can see, everyone is here drawing. Some are drawing so much good, everyone are drawing good, and it's look beautiful. And look, he's making, I think so, I can't, no, he's making a heart. Yeah, it's looking beautiful. These things are making good, and it is a fun in everything. Assalamu alaikum. As you can see, this is Uncle Tanveer. He also a biological, and he tells about how biology is done and many things also. Assalamu alaikum. How do you like this park and what is happening inside it?
I like very much.
And they say it's really beautiful. And the person and yes, everyone are here and enjoying so much. So you should also come today, and now you should come here. This is so beautiful, this place. And now it is, first of all, it was really broke and nothing was good here, but now it has become a beautiful place. And as you can see, many of the people here are to see it, and everyone are happy here. You should come. So see another view of the other things which are inside it. So let's come.
Thank you.
They are gonna fill colors, and let's go next and let's see next. So now we have come forward, and then you can see there are many of the people are making drawings, and they are gonna color it. Look, there are beautiful mountains and houses there, a river, and it's looking so beautiful. Many of the persons are here to join and make some good things. He's also drawing, everyone are drawing, and now you can see he is also drawing, and it is just tree, but he's gonna make it tree, and it's looking beautiful. These are of the college persons, and they are making the things. Look, these are making, and now you can see he's making a tree, and it's drawing so beautiful, and it's going forward. Yeah, it's really good.
भैया आपकी वार्निंग
They're making. Yes. As you can see, look, this is looking so beautiful. So why not let's see more and just find out what is inside it. And now we are, there's a market we made here. Everyone are making. Look, as you can see, these are the caps of our paints, and these are paints, and there are many things put here. They are selling, and there are brushes also, so that they could paint. Now, as you can see, you know, in every mela, there's everything here that you can just use to play. And now you can see, look, these are the Alawan paints. It's just a company when this is used, and there are also some paint, small paints which is used for drawing. Like these are for just on the like with dots and do, but these are the small ones which are used for they are giving keychains, and many things are here. And look, there's many of the markets here, so I'm gonna show you all of them. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you all. So let's go. And now there are some reporters. I'm gonna just meet with them. Assalamu alaikum.
how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine.
How do you like this place?
I don't like this place. This is very dirty, very small, or not like.
No, it's clean. It's looking
Not
good.
as clean, dirty. People here are not enjoying.
Why?
Why? Because there is nothing facilitate to public from for water, for washrooms, for playing.
Okay, that those are not, but they are rides so that they can enjoy. Rides are there.
How enjoying? How are enjoying? What? Where is the people who are enjoying?
They are on that side. And now, as you can see now, the winter season is going. Summer has come here in Kamuki. In Kamuki, not in Hot Park. So that's why we are just making this type of mela. Everyone are here and enjoying. So many people are here to see that. I think so. And it looks somehow afraid, but it's so good. So let's go forward and see some more things. So come back. And now it's a type of bouncy castle that here. And there many of the kids are enjoying it, but that some person say they are not, but everyone are enjoying it. It's fun. After some really long, everyone are there and enjoying it. In the same movie, Despicable Me 3. There are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 times. You can watch this movie in which I am going to spend. These goodies are there and they are so much fun. There are some funny things and you make it laugh and some really glue, like these things are inside it. But at this time, everyone is here to take rides and it's beautiful. So see some more things, some more rides are there. I'm going to show you. So let's now my place as it is known as restaurant, and there are many things like golgappe, the impale, these are like seed kebab. There are so many things. As you can see at this time, these are the impale or papri chaat, I think so. And they are golgappe. The government of Kamuki has made these things. And now inside, look, there are so many beautiful things. Selling everything. Like these are just small markets. Markets are made so that they could sell out. As you can see in the restaurant, this is done that if you just means you have no energy. You want energy and you want to rest up. So you can come here to rest. Then you will just eat something to get energy. When you will eat, you will get energy and look. It's looking so good, but when there is summer, we don't like it. But when there is winter, we like it. And now the summer has come and the light is gonna go on and we are like, this will like sundown. This is gonna happen now. But at this time, there is somehow the winter is here, so that I'm not feeling too much. But after that, after 1 month, this is gonna be really bad. I know everyone likes summer, but when winter is there, when we like summer, it's just unshaped. So there are some more restaurants and some more places, so let's visit and them also and come. Thank you. And now I'm also in restaurant. I was feeling that really tired, as you attended. When you feel tired, you get energy. And now I'm gonna get energy. Let's see how much. Look, it's delicious. I like it so much. And this is a khata, I think you would say it. This is used with the inside there are many things also. At the time when you pour it, you are used it to drink. It's really fun to drink. But I don't like too much spicy. I like less spicy. But still, it's really good. So I'm in a stall as you have seen. And now I have get nutty, so let's go forward. And now I'm just tired and my part just rest. So look, as I have shown you everything here inside this Mela. And it's looking so beautiful. Sorry, first I said that it's for 3 days, but now it is for 5 days. You will come here for 4 days also. It's really fun here. And thanks for so many subscribers that I'm really happy you subscribe me. And how do you like my event? Tell me in the comments. Look, I really struggle so much to show you this event. I get too much just written up, I just final, and I was going to eat, but inside there is some knuckle inside my hand. So let's see that. Look, as you can see, this is so beautiful now. I will show you my whole Kamoki. You should also come here if you live in Kamoki or you are outside in the hall. You will take 2 to 3 hours